it do, my baby boos, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey, hi, how are you? What it do? My name is Alyssa, and I am the girl with the plum bob tattoo. And we are here today making the iconic Nuka Cola from the game Fallout. So I've been playing this game a lot lately, and I decided once I saw this cookbook, I was like, bitch, you know I'm getting it. And I have definitely been obsessed with the Nuka Cola. I was like really wanting to know what it tastes like. You ever have those moments where you see something in like a cartoon or a game and you're like, I need to try that? So that's what we're doing today. I actually got the iconic, I know I keep saying it because it is, the bottle from Walmart. So if you're looking for the exact same replica, they have them at Walmart. They're a little expensive, but it's so worth it for me. So for this recipe, you are going to need 2 cups of water, 3 cups of sugar, zest and juice of half an orange, half a lime, and half a lemon, and the juices from all 3, a cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom pods, ooh, that's what I get for trying to be cute, 2 star anise, half a teaspoon of coriander seed, a 1/4 cup of browning sauce, I made mine homemade, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, so we're gonna combine the water, sugar, orange zest, lime zest, lemon zest, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, coriander seeds, and star anise in a large saucepan and place it over medium-high heat.
Morning will come. Shadows are bound to go by, and when they fly, rosy dawn will kiss us eyes. Oh, don't mind your troubles, we all have some. Watch for the star of the dawn, and keep saying morning will come.
And then we're gonna go ahead and whisk the sugar until it's dissolved and bring that to a boil.
Sister Susie sewing in the kitchen on a singer. There's miles and miles of flannel on the floor and on the stairs. And Father says it's rotten, getting mixed up with the cotton and sitting on the needles that he leaves upon the chairs. And should you knock at our front door, Mother says, come inside. And if you ask where Susie is.
And then once it's at a rolling boil, we're gonna go ahead and reduce the heat to low and then simmer it for 10 minutes.
Here's there's Susie's sewing shirt for soldiers, but still at sewing shirt.
So after you're done simmering and you let it cool, you're supposed to transfer it all to an airtight container through a strainer. And okay, so I kind of messed up. I didn't realize that I made so much. I grabbed this regular like spaghetti sauce jar that I washed vigorously and soon realized that I needed something a bit bigger. And let me just say, this is thick and sticky. Just like a regular pancake syrup, it is very, very thick and sticky, and it will get everywhere. So I actually suggest wearing rubber gloves. I did not, and this is just learn from my mistakes, okay?
I'm certainly glad that's through. Now, if there's any lady or gentleman in the audience would like to sing this song, I will offer a prize. To any lady that will sing the song, I will offer a prize, a 10-pound box of candy, either Hyla's, Asian Shaw's, Liggett's, or Park and Tilford's. I used to mention only one name, but they didn't send me anything. A 10-pound box of candy to a lady, and a nice brand new hat to any gentleman. Is there any lady or gentleman in the house would like to sing a song? I'll try it. All right, go ahead. I hope you win it. Sister Susie sewing shirt.
So eventually I transferred it into like a personal smoothie cup, and then I realized even that was too small. I needed a huge jar. My husband eventually just ended up offering me his huge, I don't even know what size it is. I just know it is large. It is very large. This like huge mason jar that he got at Michael's. So it doesn't look that big in like, you know, comparison to the other thing that I was using, but this didn't even go all the way. So at least it worked. But yeah, you need a huge airtight container.
Fine, that's fine.
And now we're gonna go ahead and add our juice and our browning sauce and the vanilla as well.
That's great. Fine, fine.
Mix all that ish in well. Once it's all mixed in and incorporated, we're gonna let this sit in the fridge for at least 12 hours. So I totally forgot to tell you guys, we also need a cup of club soda or sparkling water, whichever you prefer, to, you know, make up for the carbonation. So now we're gonna go ahead and combine the seltzer water, ice, if you need to, but I already cooled my ingredients, and 5 to 7 tablespoons of the Nuka Cola syrup. And then we're gonna stir it in together. It also didn't end up being enough to fill my Nuka Cola bottle, so I ended up doing the same amount of each again, like another cup and another few tablespoons of syrup to fill that bottle. Also, I really wanted to show off my cute little skull spoon. I tried mixing it with it and realized it was way too wide, but I ended up using a smaller spoon to mix.
Keep on a banging on the old front door. In just a minute, then you'll hear me snore. If I go to bed without a bite or sup, icicle when I wake up. Where's all the money that you said you'd bring? Melted all away just like the snow last spring. Rufus, I love you, but this is your right.
And there you have it, your very own Nuka Cola. I realize it's a little lighter in color, so I tried to like bring it out of the sunlight. It is darker in person, so it does have that look, but yeah. So there it is in all of its glory. I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test on camera, and I'm not like the hugest fan of it. It tastes kind of like if root beer and cream soda had a baby. It was very like nutty. Like you can definitely sense all of those spices and everything. It all shows up. It may not be for you. It wasn't really for me. But hey, at least I know how to make it now, and it's adorable. And I still have my Nuka Cola bottle, so whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I will see you all in the very next one. Bye, loves. Mwah.
Sister Susie sewing in the kitchen on a singer. There's miles and miles of flannel on the floor and all.